Welcome back to Tools Decor USA, your go-to for the best hardware finds and deals. Building a PC can be overwhelming, but the motherboard is the backbone that ties everything together. Pick wrong, and you risk bottlenecks, upgrade headaches, or a frustrating build. Today, we're cutting through the noise with a curated list of premium motherboards for 2025, covering both Intel and AMD from budget to high-end. We'll break down key features, VRMs, I/O, and who each board is best for. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or first-time builder, we've got you covered, ready to find the perfect foundation for your dream machine. Let's dive in. First up for AMD fans, let's take a closer look at the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX, a board that's quickly become a favorite among value-focused builders. Whether you're upgrading or building from scratch, this motherboard is designed to deliver impressive performance without breaking the bank. If you want AM5 power without the premium X-Series price tag, this is your board. It's a fantastic entry point into the latest AMD platform, offering a great balance of features and affordability. The B650 chipset really hits the sweet spot for most Ryzen 7000 and 8000 users. You get PCIe 5.0 for your main M2 drive, full DDR5 memory support, and all the essentials you need for a modern build. It's future-proofed for next-gen storage and memory, so you won't feel left behind. Power delivery is strong. A robust 12+2+1 digital VRM design keeps even high-end Ryzen 9 CPUs stable, and the solid heatsinks ensure everything stays cool under load. This means you can push your processor without worrying about thermal throttling or instability. Connectivity is excellent. Wi-Fi 6E for fast wireless, 2.5 GB LAN for speedy wired networking, 3 M2 slots, including one Gen 5 for blazing fast SSDs, and plenty of USB ports, including Type-C for modern devices. You're covered for gaming, content creation, and everyday use. It's perfect for savvy builders who want to allocate more of their budget to a powerful CPU or GPU, rather than spending extra on the motherboard itself. You get all the core features you need without unnecessary extras. The only real trade-off? It's not an X-Series, so you lose out on some extreme overclocking options and a few extra PCIe lanes. But for about 95% of users, especially gamers and mainstream creators, that's a perfectly reasonable compromise. In short, the B650 AORUS Elite AX is robust, feature-rich, and affordable. It's a board that doesn't cut corners where it matters most. If you want maximum value on the AM5 platform, this is a top contender that should be on your shortlist. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing, and to see if there are any deals available right now. Stepping up to the next level of performance, we have the MSI MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi, a motherboard that's truly designed for the future of high-end computing. It's purpose-built for AMD's brand-new Zen 5 architecture and the advanced X870E chipset, making it a perfect match for the latest Ryzen 9000 series CPUs. This board is aimed squarely at enthusiasts and power users who want to unlock every ounce of performance from their Ryzen 9000 processors, whether for gaming, content creation, or demanding workloads. With full PCIe 5.0 support for both your graphics card and blazing fast M2 storage, you're set for the fastest speeds available today and ready for whatever comes next. The 18+2+1 phase power design, featuring robust 90A power stages, ensures rock-solid stability and headroom for serious overclocking. This is overkill, but in the best possible way. Massive heat sinks and a heat pipe work together to keep temperatures in check, even during marathon gaming sessions or long rendering jobs. Plus, MSI's toolless M2 installation makes upgrades and maintenance a breeze, saving you time and hassle. And with USB 4.0 support, you get lightning-fast connectivity for the latest peripherals and external drives, adding real convenience to your setup. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a professional creator, or just someone who refuses to compromise on performance, this board is built to handle it all. The only real downside is the price. It's definitely a premium product, but you're investing in top-tier features, reliability, and future-proofing. If you want the absolute best and plan to keep your system at the cutting edge for years to come, the X870E Carbon Wi-Fi is a smart, future-proof investment that won't let you down. Enter the ASUS ROG Strix X870E Gaming Wi-Fi, a direct rival to the MSI Carbon, but with that unmistakable ROG flair and attitude. This board isn't just about performance, it's about making a statement, both in looks and capability. From the moment you see the bold ROG Eye logo illuminated by vibrant RGB, you know this is a motherboard designed for those who demand more. It's built for overclockers and tinkerers, featuring an advanced 18+2 power stage setup, robust Pro-Cool 2 connectors, and massive heatsinks that keep things cool even under extreme loads. Every component is engineered for stability and efficiency, letting you push your hardware to its limits with confidence. ASUS's Q-Release and M2 Q-Latch systems make upgrades and maintenance a breeze, eliminating the usual hassle of fiddly screws. Meanwhile, AI overclocking and AI cooling 2 take the guesswork out of tuning, offering smart, automated adjustments for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. The Strix ecosystem and Aura Sync RGB lighting don't just add style, they create a unified, immersive look across your entire build, letting you personalize your setup with millions of color combinations and dynamic effects. This board is for true enthusiasts who crave top-tier performance, deep customization, and a striking, unmistakable aesthetic. It's a platform that rewards those who love to experiment and fine-tune every detail. Downsides? It's definitely on the pricey side, and the BIOS, packed with advanced features, can be overwhelming for newcomers or those just starting out in PC building. But if you want to squeeze every last drop of performance, love to tweak and customize, and want your PC to stand out from the crowd, the Strix X872EE is nothing short of a masterpiece for the dedicated enthusiast. Switching to Intel, meet the ASUS Prime B760M MACSM, a no-nonsense, high-value micro-ATX board for 12th 14th Gen CPUs. It supports DDR5, PCIe 4.0 for GPU and M2, and fits compact cases, ideal for budget gaming, office, or home theater builds. Power delivery is solid for non-overclocked CPUs, and the CSM model guarantees long-term stability and IT management features. No built-in Wi-Fi and basic aesthetics, but it's reliable and affordable. Perfect for students, small businesses, or anyone needing a dependable, modern Intel platform on a budget. Don't overlook AM4. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is a budget legend, micro-ATX, PCIe 4.0 for GPU and SSD, and affordable DDR4 make it a killer value. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 save you money and hassle. BIOS flashback ensures compatibility with all Ryzen 5000 CPUs. It's perfect for budget gamers, first-time builders, or anyone wanting a cheap, powerful 1080p, 1440p rig. Downsides? No future CPU upgrades and basic I/O, but the value is unbeatable. For affordable gaming, AM4 with this board is still a smart move. For a white-themed build, check out the ASUS ROG Strix X870A Gaming Wi-Fi. It delivers high-end performance and features, robust VRMs, PCIe 5.0 for GPU and storage, and Wi-Fi 7 in a stunning white and silver design. You get all the ROG essentials: Q-Release, M2 Q-Latch, AI overclocking, and a powerful BIOS. It's for builders who want their PC to look as good as it performs. The only real con is the premium for aesthetics, but for design-focused enthusiasts, it's worth it. For extreme budget builds, consider a generic LGA 1155H61C motherboard. These support ancient Intel 2nd, 3rd Gen CPUs, think i7 2600K or i5 3570K, often found dirt cheap. Pair with used DDR3 and you've got a basic PC for web browsing, retro gaming, or a Linux server for next to nothing. Features are bare bones. PCIe 2.0 3.0, SATA 2, USB 2.0, no M2, and minimal VRMs. Quality is hit or miss, but for tinkerers or those resurrecting old hardware, it's a fun, ultra-low-cost project. Not a serious recommendation for most, but a testament to PC hardware's longevity. Back to modern AMD, the ASUS TUF Gaming B850E Wi-Fi. The B850 chipset is the new mainstream sweet spot, no PCIe 5.0 for GPU, which you don't need, but Gen 5 for M2 storage. TUF boards are all about durability, reliability, and essential gaming features. Solid VRMs, chunky heatsinks, Wi-Fi 7, and 2.5 GB Ethernet make it a great choice for most gamers. It's perfect for Ryzen 7000, 8000 builds, where you want performance and longevity without the ROG price tag. One more AM4 gem, the MSI B5150M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi, Micro ATX, PCIe 4.0 for GPU and SSD, and surprisingly strong VRMs, enough for a Ryzen 7 5800X3D. Dual M2 slots, built-in Wi-Fi Bluetooth, and a flash BIOS button make it beginner-friendly. It's ideal for budget-conscious builders who want features without compromise. Downsides: no future CPU upgrades and basic looks, but for value, it's hard to beat. For Intel overclockers on a budget, check out the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi. Z790 unlocks CPU overclocking for 12th 14th Gen K-series chips, with robust 16+1 power stages and big VRM heatsinks, DDR5 support, 4 M2 slots, 1 Gen 5, PCIe 5.0 for GPU, Wi-Fi 6E, and 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet round out the package. It's perfect for gamers and enthusiasts who want performance and stability without ROG-level prices. The only catch: LGA 1700 is at the end of its life, so no future CPU upgrades. Still, for a high-end Intel build today, it's a fantastic value. That's our tour of the top 2025 motherboards, AMD, Intel, budget to high-end. The right board sets the stage for a stable, powerful PC. Don't overpay for features you'll never use. Choose what fits your needs and budget. All Amazon links are in the description. Check prices, support the channel, and build smart. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Tell us in the comments which board you're eyeing or what we missed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.